Today you'll take your Chapter 13 test for Social Studies. Remember to put your name and class period at the top of the page. The first section of the test is true and false. Please put all your letters, your T's and your F's, in uppercase letters. Remember, uppercase. Number 1, the defenders of the Alamo played an important role in the fight for the independence of Texas. 2. In 1824, the territorial capital of Florida was Pensacola. 3. A significant early battle was fought at the Alamo in San Antonio in December of 1836. 4. After the Battle of San Jacinto, Santa Anna swore he would keep fighting. 5. After being elected president of Texas in 1836, Juan Seguin sent a delegation to Washington, D.C. 6. At one time, Mexico was claimed by Spain. 7. Native Americans were well treated on Mexican ranchos. 8. Mexico believed that the Rio Grande formed the Texas-Mexico border. That's the Rio Grande River. 9. The United States believed that the Nueces River formed the Texas-Mexico border. 10. The United States did not attain its goal of capturing Mexico City. 11. Under the Land Law of 1851, many Californios lost their land. 12. As a result of the steamboat, San Francisco became a boomtown. 13. After the U.S. acquired Utah, Brigham Young was named its governor. 14. Gold was discovered in 1748 at Sutter's Mill in California. 15. Frontier law was often handled by self-appointed vigilantes. 16. In the early 1800s, the U.S., Great Britain, Spain, and Russia all laid claim to part of the Oregon Country. 17. After exhausting the beaver supply in Oregon Country, many mountain men found work as guides. 18. In 1844, the Democratic Party's campaign slogan was 54-40 or fight. 19. President Martin Van Buren agreed to annex Texas before John Taylor became president. 20. The Mexican ranchos had Native Americans working the land in return for food and shelter. The next section is multiple choice. Identify the letter of the choice that best completes the statement or answers the question. Number 21. Oregon Country was which direction from California? Was it A, east, B, north, C, south, or D, west? 22. Which philosophy meant that the U.S. was meant to extend its boundaries all the way to the Pacific? Was that called the A, emigrant theory, B, joint occupation, C, manifest destiny, or D, the rendezvous philosophy? Number 23. After Laramie, we entered the Great American Desert, which was hard on the teams. Sickness became common. This quote from Catherine Sager Pringle was quoted in 1844. As indicated in this quotation, What was a frequent problem that the pioneers faced along the Oregon Trail? Was that A, fatigue, B, food shortages, C, illness, D, Native American attacks? 24. The main route that settlers took through the Rocky Mountains to Oregon was called what? The A, East Pass, B, North Pass, C, South Pass, or D, West Pass? Number 25. One reason the U.S. claimed Oregon country was because of what? The A, 1844 election, B, the Lewis and Clark expedition, C, the Treaty of Guadalupe, or D, the Whitman massacre? 26. Which group represented about half the population in Florida in the 1830s? Was that A, enslaved people, B, rancheros, C, Tejanos, or D, Virginians? 27. Florida could not become a state until which of the following joined the Union? A, a free state, B, a slave state, C, a neutral state, or D, Texas? 28. Who was one of the first Americans to settle in Texas? Was that A, Davy Crockett, B, Jim Bowie, C, Stephen Austin, or D, William Travis? Number 29. What happened to the Texan forces at the Alamo? A, independence was declared, B, they became rich, C, they were defeated, D, they were victorious? Number 30. Which president refused the Texans' request for annexation? Was it A, Andrew Jackson, B, Henry Clay, C, James Polk, or D, Sam Houston? Number 31. What did President James K. Polk use as grounds for declaring war against Mexico? Did he use A, annexation of Texas by Mexico, B, declaration of the border by Mexico, C, a Mexican attack on American forces, or D, Mexico's non-payment of debt? 32. War between the U.S. and Mexico broke out in what year? Did war break out in A, 1646, B, 1746, C, 1946, or D, 1846? 33. One reason William Becknell's route to Mexico became popular was that it was A, not in prairies, B, guarded by soldiers, C, flat and had stops for water, D, on American land? 34. What did Junipero Serra do? Did he A, explore California, B, founded missions, C, invaded Mexico, or D, made a fortune? 35. What was the final step of President Polk's plan to defeat Mexico? Was it to A, capture Mexico City, B, declare U.S. independence, C, close the Santa Fe Trail, or D, to destroy Santa Anna? 36. Which event, beginning in 1848, had a long-lasting effect on California's economy? Was it A, the discovery of gold, B, industrialization, C, shipping to China, or D, trade with Mexico? Number 37. Discoveries made in California more than doubled the world's supply of A, farmland, B, gold, C, oil, or D, water? Number 38. What was the largest single migration in American history? Was it A, the 49ers to California, B. The mountain men to Oregon. C. The Mormons to Utah. Or D. Traders to Mexico. Number 39. Which of the following groups made huge profits during the California Gold Rush? Was it A. Boomtown merchants, B. the 49ers, C. fur traders, or D. rancheros? 40. What was one of Joseph Smith's basic beliefs? Was it A. Did he believe in California statehood, B. vigilantism, C. manifest destiny, or D. common property? Number 41. What was the last country to challenge the United States' control of Oregon? Was it A. Great Britain, B. Mexico, C. Russia, or D. Spain? 42. What allowed people from both Great Britain and the United States to settle in the Oregon country? Was that A. joint occupation, B. manifest destiny, C. Oregon Providence, or D. the Great Rendezvous? Number 43. Jim Bridger and Kit Carson lived in the West, and they worked as what? Were they A. farmers, B. merchants, C. guides, or D. missionaries? 44. Whom did the Texans choose as its president? Whom did Texas choose as its president after Texas won their independence from Mexico? Did they choose A. Mike Dallas, B. Davy Crockett, C. Sam Houston, or D. William Austin? Number 45. Mountain men originally made their living as A. merchants, B. missionaries, C. surveyors, or D. trappers. This test will continue in a second video.